Hello tech enthusiasts and welcome back to Gadget Vox. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wearables with a comprehensive review of the highly anticipated Google Pixel Watch 3. As Google's latest foray into the smartwatch market, the Pixel Watch 3 promises a refined design, enhanced performance, and seamless integration with the Android ecosystem. The Pixel Watch 3 arrives on the scene following its predecessor, the Pixel Watch 2, which garnered attention for its sleek aesthetics and intuitive software experience. However, it also faced some criticism for its battery life and limited app selection. In this review, we'll dissect the Pixel Watch 3's key features, analyze its performance, and determine whether it lives up to the hype. We'll explore its new health tracking capabilities, its improved battery life, and the overall user experience. We'll also compare it to its predecessors and major competitors in the smartwatch arena, such as the Apple Watch series and Samsung Galaxy Watch, providing you with all the information you need to make an informed purchasing decision. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech-savvy individual, or someone looking for a stylish accessory, we've got you covered. So buckle up as we embark on this technological journey. Stay tuned, and let's get started with our in-depth review of the Google Pixel Watch 3. The Google Pixel Watch 3 boasts a premium and sophisticated design that is both stylish and comfortable to wear. Its sleek lines and modern aesthetic make it a perfect accessory for any outfit, whether you're dressing up for a formal event or keeping it casual. Its circular AMOLED display is vibrant and responsive, offering excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. This ensures that you can easily read notifications, check the time, or interact with apps no matter where you are. The watch's body is crafted from durable stainless steel, giving it a premium look and feel. This high-quality material not only enhances the watch's appearance but also ensures its longevity and resistance to wear and tear. Google offers the Pixel Watch 3 in a range of colors and finishes to suit different tastes. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more contemporary, there's a Pixel Watch 3 for you. You can choose from classic black or silver, which are timeless and versatile options that can match any wardrobe. Or opt for more contemporary hues like rose gold or blue, adding a pop of color and personality to your wrist. The watch bands are easily interchangeable, allowing you to personalize your style for any occasion. This feature makes it simple to switch from a sporty look to a more elegant one in seconds. Whether you prefer a sporty silicone band, a classic leather strap, or something in between, or a sophisticated metal bracelet, Google has you covered. The variety of bands available ensures that you can find the perfect match for your personal style and daily activities. One of the standout design features of the Pixel Watch 3 is its slim and lightweight profile. This design choice makes it an ideal companion for all-day wear. It sits comfortably on the wrist and doesn't feel bulky or intrusive, even during extended wear. Whether you're at the office, at the gym, or out for a night on the town, the Pixel Watch 3 remains a comfortable and stylish accessory. The rotating crown, a signature design element of the Pixel Watch series, provides an intuitive way to navigate through menus and interact with apps. This feature adds to the overall user experience, making the watch not only beautiful but also highly functional. Under the hood, the Google Pixel Watch 3 is powered by a new Snapdragon Wear processor, delivering a significant performance boost over its predecessor. This translates to a smoother and more responsive user experience, with apps launching quickly and navigating through menus feeling effortless. Running on the latest version of Wear OS, the Pixel Watch 3 offers a seamless and intuitive software experience. Google Assistant is deeply integrated, allowing you to effortlessly set reminders, send messages, make calls, and control smart home devices using just your voice. Health and fitness tracking are also key strengths of the Pixel Watch 3. Equipped with advanced sensors, it accurately monitors your heart rate, sleep patterns, and activity levels throughout the day. The watch automatically detects and tracks various workouts, providing you with detailed insights into your fitness progress. Battery life has been a point of contention for previous Pixel Watch models, often leaving users frustrated and searching for a charger by midday. But Google claims to have made significant improvements with the Pixel Watch 3, promising a more reliable experience. The watch packs a larger battery compared to its predecessors and incorporates software optimizations to extend its longevity. With moderate use, including notifications, fitness tracking, and occasional app usage, the battery life is notably better. The Pixel Watch 3 should comfortably last for a full day on a single charge, making it a dependable companion from morning to night. However, more demanding users who frequently utilize features like the always-on display or engage in GPS-intensive activities might find themselves reaching for the charger before the day ends. For these power users, the battery might not stretch as far, especially during extended outdoor activities or heavy app usage. Speaking of charging, the Pixel Watch 3 comes with a magnetic charging puck that snaps securely to the back of the watch, ensuring a hassle-free charging experience. The charging speed is relatively quick, allowing you to get back to your day without long interruptions. You can top up the battery from 0 to full in under 2 hours, making it convenient to charge during short breaks or overnight.